Batangas.
Next we have pair number 3.
Hi, good morning. I'm Young Julie. I'm 16 years old. I'm from South Korea.
Good morning. I'm Natalie Sanggala, 15 years of age, from Panhulara, Consilio, Batangas.
Pair number 4.
Blessed morning to each and everyone. I'm Kaiseline P. Fajardo, 14 years of age, from Puo, Consilio, Batangas. And I would like to thank and more power to our Marco Company. God bless us all. Thank you.
Good morning. Mr. Perdillion, 13 years old. Magsubig Ilaya, Consilio, Batangas.
Thank you so much. Pair number 5.
Tumigil pa siya eh. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman niya inulit.
Good morning, Almarcans. Mabuhay. I'm Catherine L. Alasor, 14 years old, from Pansipit, Consilio, Batangas.
Hi, good morning. Mark Joseph Malapitan, 13 years old, Pangkurana Munti, Consilio, Batangas.
Thank you so much. Next pair number 6.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Eileen Irish Di Barrion, 16 years old, from Poblacion, Consilio, Batangas.
Hi, good morning. I'm Panjo Tipo, 15 years old, from Matingay, Levery, Batangas.
Pair number 7.
Good morning. I'm Reyna Bianca Isanggalang, 14 years old, from Bagina, Consilio, Batangas.
Good morning. I'm Bob Kevin S. Reyes, 15 years old, from Poblacion, Consilio, Batangas.
Pair number 8.
Good morning. I'm Sharon Nicarbal, from Consilio, Batangas, 13 years old.
Hi, good morning. I'm Marvin B. Balbang, 13 years old, from Subic, Ibaba, Consilio, Batangas.
Pair number 9.
Hello, good morning. I'm Jesseline Tisagon, 15 years old of age, from Corona Muti, Agoncillo, Batangas. I believe that simplicity is beauty.
Good morning. I'm Jonas Elendaya, 16 years old, from Abinia, Consilio, Batangas.